Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Anker. This is ultra fast charging USB-C to USB-C cable, certified for up to 240 watts. It will work with Apple, Samsung and more. It has 6 feet long, is ultra durable and fast charging. This is the Anker Prime USB-C to USB-C cable. And then they all mention about charging, but I'm just curious if it works with data as well. Yeah, nothing they say about data. I'm sure it will work as well. So let's just unbox this. Nice one. Okay, all right. That's the cable itself. Oh, bit heavy, but then it's quality. This is made of kind of like something like aluminium. Look at that look. And then it has this nice kind of like button holder. And I think the 6 feet is about 2 meters, I think, long. It's made of this braided cable. It's really tough. And this as well, look how beautiful it's done. It's really good quality. And on the back it says 240 watts. So yeah, let's give it a test. I mean, that's all it comes with. So let's just try a few things. So first of all, I have this 150, it says in here. So we'll try. I don't have anything that will charge that fast though, but we'll try. We'll plug this in here, and then I have the Anker Prime power bank, which we want to see how fast it's charging. So we'll use this adapter. Actually, I don't need the adapter on this because it should say so. We'll plug that in and let's see if it's even charging. I need to turn this on. This charger is not the best. Let's just try another port. I just think it's my charger because it's very loose. Ah, sorry, my bad. I was plugging into USB-C. So let's see. So yeah, it will use almost 100 watts because I think that's how fast it would normally charge. You can even see how fast it's charging based on the percentage. So a really good cable. I don't need to use this adapter. Let's see actually with the adapter how fast would charge a Apple phone. So let's disconnect this a bit and let's see. So it's charging, as you can see, but usually Apple doesn't need much. So let's see how fast it goes. So far 10 watts. Yeah, not really impressive. Let's try with something else. So let's try and charge a laptop. This is a HP laptop, and yeah, let's see how fast it's charging. Okay guys, so it is charging. You can see 43 watts. So I don't really have something that will go up to even 100 or even 120. So yeah, a really good cable. If I I may say. This one definitely charges only up to 120, so 100. We'll try one more test. We'll use the Anker Prime 120 plug, and instead of this one, and let's see how that performs. So I'm gonna just turn this off, and we'll plug this in like so. Turn it on, plug the Anker, and then see if this one goes a bit faster than that. I mean, you know, 100 is more than enough to charge a MacBook, or, you know, if it goes up to there. Because you can see their phones, I mean, the normal iPhone 15 goes up to 11 watts. The laptop will take about 45 or 65, depends on the laptop. Windows laptop, this should take about 100 maximum. So that's the fastest thing I can charge. But yeah, thank you for watching. It's a really nice cable, definitely Prime. I really like the quality, and also this looks amazing. This is definitely my favorite cable so far. Thank you for watching.